Why hello?
Hello.
Hi everyone.
No, I mean
Hello.
Hi.
let's say hello to each other first.
How are you?
Trailer is out there and the show is releasing on December 10th. Like we all are excited, but from season 1 to season 2, lot of thing has happened, including a international nomination and a lot of other jazz, right?
Thank you. It's been a great journey so
Yeah,
far.
yeah. But tell me, like now, I would like to start it from you, sir, because your character, like as I was just talking about it, right? Like you know, देख के लग रहा है कि you are going to, like you're going to screw the case, right? Like now tell me how, like give us a glimpse of your
That's
character.
really deep. I
No,
mean,
she's like what Sikandar is saying. She's like a lawyer in court.
No, just
You're now
tell
right
me
now in that witness box.
Because in the character,
Yeah.
the character itself is saying that.
Yeah.
कि like उसको वापस नहीं आना चाहिए था. अभी तो मैंने.
I mean well. क्यों आ गई? Because मेरे को तो बदला लेना है.
Yeah.
नहीं आती तो नहीं होता. तो वो अब गड़बड़ है. दुविधा है. It's a dilemma actually.
So are you gonna leave it like that only? कि अरे नहीं आना चाहिए था. Now that वो आ गई है तो
मैं
चलो
तो
अभी
कहता हूँ कि
बता.
आना नहीं चाहिए था उसको. मिस्टेक है. उसने कयामत को न्योता दिया. And then all hell will break loose. हाँ यही है.
Exactly the promo line.
वही बोल रहा है ना.
The idea was to dig a little deeper.
Dig a little
and
deeper.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a man who's suffering a great loss.
Yeah.
Even if he wasn't there in season 1, someone died.
Yes.
That was his son.
Yeah.
It's a father's emotion where, you know, you just feel bad. I mean, he's really upset that happened. And yeah, he's upset. He's really upset.
Yeah. But then this is so interesting. Now I want to come to you, sir. Like, you know, it's his emotion because he lost his son. And that was her emotion, that whatever happened to her family and therefore whatever she has done. Now tell me, like from where we are waiting for the next thing that is going to happen, right? So like how you are going to take us to the next level altogether through this season?
See, we've always been very careful within the team. My co-director Vinod Rawat and Kapil Sharma, and also my writers Sanita Sheikh Chawla and Anu Singh Chaudhary. We always say it's not a crime drama, it's a family crime drama. So the first thing that everybody, and certainly on Shekhawat's case and certainly in Arya's case, it is that मेरी family जो है वो मेरी कमजोरी भी है और मेरी ताकत भी है.
Yes.
And that line comes through very strongly in the trailer. And so I think first, and also I'm interested in making shows for the family audience. And when you start talking emotion, then you need to, in India and I think mostly everywhere in the world, you need to talk about family.
Yes.
And so I think that's really the first thing, that it is a show about family.
Is like I'm trying so hard to get something out of something that is
No,
beyond the trailer.
you can't, because we are masters.
Yeah.
We are just very good. You'll never get anything out of us, plus contractually we can't.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's in our clause.
It's in our clause. अपने पंजे में है.
I want to know that you know, if in this season he's actually talking or अभी भी आँखों में बातें हो रही है.
You want to know? That's a good one. Can you answer that? How will you answer that?
सिर्फ एक्सप्रेशन से तो नहीं ना. ऑडियो भी.
He's answered it. He just answered it.
ओके. नहीं लेकिन वो जो प्यार है वो साइलेंट प्यार क्यों है?
नौकर है ना actually he's works for her family, her father. तो जब भी गया होगा घर, प्यार तो तभी हो गया होगा, बट लेवल सेम नहीं है ना, इक्वालिटी है ही नहीं उसमें, तो साइलेंटली प्यार करता है. मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं आर्या को पता है, ये कहीं ना कहीं उसको पता है कि दौलत उससे मोहब्बत करता है, और मोहब्बत है, बट वैसे ही करता है, वैसा इंसान है वो. ही विल नॉट क्रॉस दैट लाइन until Arya probably crosses it, but that's up to her.
No, I think that's very well said, that he won't cross the line.
He won't cross the line.
Yeah. And that's what makes Daulat Daulat.
Yeah.
That there is a certain samurai-ness, there is a certain, he has his own value system and his own loyalties.
Yes.
Yeah, so
very.
Yeah.
It's like really the strength by all means, like you know, that way. And then I have to come to you, because here, like, I want to know how you are, because there it's a very interesting equation that we have seen in the first season, right? And there again, like, you know, a lot of things are going on, investigation, like, you know, you're doing a lot of things, but again there also, I don't know, silent pyar to nahi bolungi, but admiration is there, like, you know, that we kind of felt it, right? So tell me, yes, it was coming across.
For Arya?
The equation I'm talking about. Here, what are the things that, how you are taking it to the next level? The character is taking it to the next level. Actually.
Facets to the character this time. That's about it. You'll see on 10th. You know, within the parameters of the character that we've established in season 1, there's obviously more. According to the story, according to situations, he reacts differently, and that's what you'll see.
Story of season 2. That's what she wants to know.
But if we had time, we would have told
he
her.
has to.
No, but
exactly.
no.
Wait a minute. Do you have 8 hours? You have like not 8 hours. It's
No,
about let's say 6, 7 hours.
Narration
में आपको इतना वक्त है हम बोल देते पूरी कहानी.
नहीं हमने तो देखा ही नहीं, हम बता ही नहीं सकते पूरी कहानी.
Right.
We haven't seen the episode.
No, we've not seen anything actually.
Okay.
We saw the trailer
That's
the
why-
day you saw the trailer, by
I
the
mean,
way.
in fact, you know more than we do because you've actually done an analysis. Yeah,
Right.
that's terrific.
That's really fab, sir.
No, he's not lying. He's not lying.
You a compliment.
I
you
really,
were fab.
honestly, we haven't seen the episodes. हो क्या यार? You're not believing.
No,
Please
I
believe.
do
Yeah.
believe you,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Trust me on
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
But sir, can you disclose the ending, please?
Ending.
Let's do that.
No, I
पहले
will.
क्यों नहीं बताया?
You should ask us directly.
No. So ending basically it's been designed in such a fashion that you come to a point where the audience loves it so much that there's a season 3.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What a great answer.
I want to on this note.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys.
Your experience like working with Ram, sir?
So I've been waiting for 37 years to work with him again. There was an ad film I did, and he's such a wonderful person that
I was 2 years old then.
but you were still wise, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You were okay.
No, but it's true. It's true.
And so yeah, it was unfortunately or fortunately rooted through a professional casting director, and he called me and I don't audition, and he said that's the part, and I said who's doing it, and he says Ram Madhwani. I said, does he know you're reaching out to me? He said yes. Then I said I don't want to ask any questions,
Thank you for that, sir.
and then I went,
Yeah.
and then it was one of the most magical experiences of my life, as any actor would tell you, because that's what this person does.
Akash was in an ad for VIP, which was called Kalbi Aaj Bhi Kalbi, which my mentor Shumantro Ghoshal directed. And
Unfortunately, none of the people around me were born then.
But that's an iconic.
But
It's
that's
an iconic
because,
ad.
our favorite.
because the association, the advertising, has instituted the performance award, which
Yeah.
eventually all the major stars got
Yeah.
with that ad, and I was
Yeah.
the first winner of that award. You can milestone that, yeah.
No, but that is, but
And,
it is because
and
then
modesty
I
apart,
observed
because
it.
it's important for me
Yeah.
to have got that confidence from it, you know. When you're just doing an ad film.
Look it up, Kalbi Aaj Bhi Kalbi, and see Akash's role there, and you just see.
For
him
a second, I'm just feeling so fortunate.
How?
Because of the fact that, you know, I'm talking to you, sir. I mean,
I can't handle all this.
it was genuine, sir.
I hope
what I said.
I hope you're not genuine, because I get really overwhelmed. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So you're saying, sir.
No, I was nothing. I was basically the same thing, which is that I was wanting to work with him for many years. I've seen what he did to that ad and how he prepared for it, and not prepared, but there was a moment that he had to get into a mood, and I saw him like say, just give me 5 minutes, and he thought about what he had to get into, and so I was observing all of that, and from that time and from that memory, I've been saying I want to work with Akash. So I'm happy that we were able to give him something that was worthy. So.
Right. Magical is a word that every actor, whenever they talk about working with you, like they always use this word.
एक मिनट, rabbit किधर है? मैं निकालूं? नहीं, अच्छा.
Was it carried away?
अच्छा मैं.
This is nice and serious.
Okay, the serious. Okay, done.
No, but genuinely, there are many times when you also talk about like creating the environment. You are also talking about this whole thing of how you actually wanted to make it into a film, and then eventually whatever magic that happens of the show, right? Tell me, because it looks like you are a very intuitive director. Tell me how this whole thing of the process of creating the world. storytelling and your connection to somewhere to the spirituality, how you, because you always equate these two, you know, you try to draw that line all the time, sir. I was just trying to decode that.
So, I think when you're talking to an audience which is a broad-based audience over here, a family audience in India, it's those questions which are eternal questions, which are philosophical questions, I think is something which when you put out there, it resonates within all kinds of audiences. And so also Arya is a very, story-wise, it's a very pulp kind of story. It's a very, like, you know, you could treat it in a very, you know, sort of soap kind of a way. How do you elevate that and into something that resonates in people's hearts and minds? And how do you say something? And so that's why I use philosophy and I use that in a emotional way, not in a pakao kind of a way.
Yeah.
So you feel what the character is going through, so therefore you'll always find that there will always be some Sanskrit shloka which is there, in whether it's in Nirja, whether it's in Dhamaka.
Yeah.
And I feel that those resonance, those things which resonate in our bones, and so I try and get you to get those resonances. But apart from that, I also follow a system which is a system that is not intuitive at all. It's a system that is very articulated. It is a system that is very put down. It's a system that has to be passed through 300 people in the team. There are 10 rules to get to truth. There is a certain very formalistic approach to getting to actors being what they are, and that I won't bore you with right now. But it's very formal so that I can get to informality. It is very organized so that I can get to chaos.
Spontaneity.
Yes, exactly. It is very not spontaneous so that I can get to spontaneity. Because eventually that's what I'm trying to capture, which is the energy of these people. And that's very, it's like a butterfly, you know. ऐसा वो एक net से वो कैसे पकड़ना, वो feeling जो है, वो जो रस जो है, वो कैसे पकड़ना is a very, it can go like that. And the magical part of it is really, the alchemy of it is how do you capture it.
Show is actually an adaptation of another show, of a Dutch show, right? Sir, I would like to know what are the Indianization that you probably had to keep in mind because you are making it for the family audience?
That the questions that she is asking are questions of dharma and karma. Eventually, that's what our world is about. Ek dharma meaning duties, responsibilities, karma yani ek kaam, and also your emotional kind of behavior and the choices that you make, whether you are, so the question that is being asked is so deeply rooted within our consciousness that, which is she going to be in the roles that you play, on the roles that we all play, whether you're a father or a brother or a boss or a husband or a wife or a mother or a daughter, what will you choose at that point in time is what will define you. For Arya, it is, will she be a mother or will she be a wife or will she be a daughter? And she chooses
at that very moment.
At that very moment, will she put her father in jail? That means she's choosing the role, the dharma of a mother rather than the dharma of a daughter. She puts her father in jail in season 1. And those same moral conflicts is going to come into her life in season 2. And because we are all wearing these hats and these roles all the time.
Yes.
And those have been so much part of our own philosophical upbringing that when you see another character going through those choices, which you go through, maybe not in that kind of a way, but eventually I have to get it from her life into your life. And that is really what makes you vibe with the show. Which is the choices that she goes through are the same choices that you go through, but not in that field, in your own field.
Right. Last thing, Sushmita is like, you know, we are all missing her, right? So during this promotion, we are interviewing and everything, and we are missing her. So, like, you know, have you spoken, like, all you guys, like, spoken to her? Like, what's her frame of mind? If you can tell us a little.
As you've seen from the Instagram account, she had a surgery. She's doing better, and so on the day of the Emmys, she was constantly sending us voice notes and and sort of motivating us and all the rest of that. And we are missing her, and we wish she was here because she changes the energy of a room completely, as you have seen. So yes, we miss her, but she's like, come back fast.
Yes, and the rest of the thing we really have to wait for December 10th. But
the spirit is very much here.
Absolutely.
She is, therefore we are.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, that's so true. Yeah.
I'm sure. But thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This was such a lovely talk.